afternoon, student. Hi there. Can you hear me? I'm happy to see you again. Alright, welcome to our English class. I am your English teacher. My name is Teacher Mai. Alright, student. Today we are going to have fun together with our first song. And this song is called Hello Song. Do you know how to sing and dance with this song?
Yes.
If you say yes, please stand up, stand up. We are going to sing and dance together. Alright, students, please set up like this.
Hi, hello, it's time to say hello. Hi, hello, say hello to your friends, to your teachers. Come and play together. ENOZ kids. We can sing and dance. We can jump up high. How are you today? How do you feel today? I'm fine, thank you. And you? It's nice to be here with you.
Let's turn around.
Turn round and round and round.
And then,
And shout, yeah.
let's turn around again.
Round and round and round. And shout, yeah. It's time to have fun. Let's have a good day.
Then let's do it one more time.
Hi, hello, it's time to say hello. Hi, hello, say hello to your friends, to your teachers. Come and play together. ENOZ kids. We can sing and dance. We can jump up high. Move your body in, move your body out. Move your body like this. And shake your body around. Let's turn round and round and round. And shout, yeah.
Let's turn around.
Turn round and round and round. And shout, yeah. It's time to have fun. Let's have a good day.
Good job, student. You are a good dancers. Alright, student. Before we get started, teacher have some question to ask all of you. And let's start with the first question. Student, how are you today? How do you feel? How are you? Today, are you sleepy? Are you sleepy?
No.
Oh, you say no. Good job. If you're not sleepy, or are you angry? Angry. Are you angry?
No, I'm not.
Wow, excellent. You are not angry. If you are not angry, or if you are not sleepy, or are you happy? Are you happy?
Yes.
Wow, excellent. If you say happy, student, repeat after me. I am happy. Your turn.
I am happy.
Good job. Alright, and next question. Teacher want to know, how's the weather? Student, how's the weather? Let's look at the window. Let's look at the outside. How's the weather today? Is it rainy? Is it rainy?
No.
No. Wow, if you say no. If it's not rainy, how about this one? Is it cloudy? Is it cloudy?
No, teacher.
Wow, no again. If it's not rainy, if it's not cloudy, how about this one? Is it sunny? Is it sunny?
Yes.
Well, if you say it, student repeats after me. It's sunny. Your turn.
It's sunny.
Let's do it again one more time, and this time please speak louder. Student repeats after me. It's sunny. Your turn.
It's sunny.
Excellent. Alright, student, let's move to the next part. And this part we are going to start with our program of ENOZ and Junior Browse. Alright, student, let's move to the next part, and this part we are going to start with our title of this unit 2, and this title of this unit 2 is This is my friend Tomo. This is my friend Tomo. Alright, student, let's start with our story. Do you want to watch our story?
Yes, I am.
Good job, student. And this time we are going to start with our story, and you have to watch our story 2 times. Alright, student, let's move to watch our story together. Don't forget to pay attention. Take a look. We are still at the Netherlands.
Tomo, this is my father.
Happy to meet you.
This is my friend Tomo. This is our guide. Hi, what's your name? My name is Alice.
Her name is Alice. And now let's watch our story one more time.
Tomo, this is my father.
Happy to meet you.
This is my friend Tomo. This is our guide. Hi, what's your name? My name is Alice.
Wow, and the end of our story. Student, do you like it?
Yes.
Good job. And this place we call the tourist attraction of the Netherlands. Alright, student, and let's move to the next part. And this part we are going to practice how to read our sentences from our story. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Alright, let's move to the next part. Then, this is our title of our story. This is my friend Tomo. Student, repeat after me. This is my friend Tomo. Your turn.
This is my friend Tomo.
Excellent. And then let's learn new expressions. Let's start with the first sentence with this girl. And this girl, she introduced her friend to her father. And this sentence is,
This is my friend Tomo.
student, repeat after me.
This is my friend Tomo.
Your turn.
This is my friend Tomo.
Good job, student. And then let's move to Tomo. And Tomo say,
Happy to meet you.
student, repeat after me.
Happy to meet you.
Your turn.
Happy to meet you.
Excellent. And then this is little girl. She talked to her father.
Tomo, this is my father.
Student, repeat after me.
Tomo, this is my father.
Your turn.
Tomo, this is my father.
Good job. Alright, student. And then let's move to the next page. Look at this lady. And this lady, she say,
This is our guide.
listen it one more time.
This is our guide.
Student, repeat after me. This is our guide. Your turn.
This is our guide.
Good job. And then look at the lady. And this lady, she say,
Hi, what's your name?
let's listen it one more time.
Hi, what's your name?
And now repeat after me. Hi, what's your name? Your turn.
Hi, what's your name?
Excellent. And then look at this lady. She is a guide. And then she say,
My name is Alice.
listen it one more time.
My name is Alice.
Student, repeat after me. My name is Alice. Your turn.
My name is Alice.
Student, do you know what is her name?
Her name is Alice.
Excellent. Her name is Alice. And do you know what does she do? Do you know what does she do?
She is a guide.
Good job. She is a guide. Good job, everyone. Alright, student. And now let's move to the next part. And this part we are going to practice how to pronounce our new word from our story. Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, let's listen it carefully.
This.
This. Next,
Father.
father,
Friend.
friend,
Our.
our,
Guide.
guide,
What.
what,
Name.
name,
My.
mine. Alright, student, this is your turn. We are going to practice how to pronounce the new word that we learned from our story. Look at this. This one, an explanation. This explanation you have to listen and then try to repeat. And then when we finish with these explanations, we are going to practice how to read our sentence over there. Alright, students, let's start with the first word, and this word is listen carefully.
This.
Let's listen it one more time.
This.
This word is this. This. Student, repeat after me.
This.
Your turn.
This.
Good job. And then, student, please spell the word this. This is begin with letter
T.
and then letter
H.
coming up next with letter
I.
coming up next with letter.
H.
So now we call this word is
This.
this. Your turn.
This.
And then let's move to our sentence. Please listen carefully.
Tomo, this is my father.
Let's listen it one more time.
Tomo, this is my father.
Repeat after me. Tomo, this is my father. Your turn.
Tomo, this is my father.
Excellent. Alright, let's move to the next word. And this word is listen carefully.
Father,
Let's listen it one more time.
father,
Student, say with me, father. Your turn.
Father.
Alright, and then please spell the word father. Father is begin with letter.
F.
Coming up next with letter.
A.
Coming up next with letter.
T.
And then letter.
H.
Coming up next with letter.
E.
And the last letter is
R.
excellent. So this word is
father,
repeat after me. Father. Your turn.
Father.
And then let's read our sentence together.
Tomo, this is my father.
Repeat after me. Tomo, this is my father. Your turn.
Tomo. This is my father.
Good job, student. And then let's move to the next word. And this word is listen carefully.
Friend,
Let's listen it one more time.
friend,
Repeat after me. Friend. Your turn.
Friend.
And then please spell the word friend. Student, repeat after me. Friend is begin with letter F. Your turn.
F.
R.
R.
I.
I.
E.
E.
N.
N.
D.
D.
And this word is
friend,
friend. Your turn.
Friend.
And then let's read our sentence together.
this is my friend Tomo.
Repeat after me. This is my friend Tomo. Your turn.
This is my friend Tomo.
Excellent. And then let's move to the next word. And this word is
Hour,
let's listen it one more time.
hour,
This word is repeat after me. Hour. Your turn.
Hour.
And then please spell the word hour together. This word hour begin with letter O. Your turn.
O.
U.
U.
R.
R.
And this word is
hour,
hour. Your turn.
Hour.
Good job. And then let's repeat after me with our sentence.
this is our guide.
Let's listen it one more time.
This is our guide.
And then repeat after me. This is our guide. Your turn.
This is our guide.
Excellent. And then let's move to the next word. And this word is listen carefully.
Guide,
Guide. Guide. Let's listen it one more time.
guide,
And this time, please say with me. Guide. Your turn.
Guide.
Excellent. And then let's spell the word guide. Repeat after me. The word guide begin with letter G. Your turn.
G.
U.
U.
I.
I.
D.
D.
E.
E.
guide,
Guide. Your turn.
Guide.
Excellent. And then let's move to our sentence.
this is our guide.
This is our guide. Let's listen it one more time.
This is our guide.
Repeat after me. This is our guide. Your turn.
This is our guide.
Very good. Let's move to the next word. And this word is
What,
let's listen it one more time.
what,
This word is what. What. Student, repeat after me. What. Your turn.
What?
And then please spell the word what. What is begin with letter W. Your turn.
W.
H.
H.
A.
A.
T.
T.
And this word is
what,
repeat after me. What. Your turn.
What?
And then let's read our sentence.
Hi, What's your name?
This sentence is repeat after me. Hi, what's your name? Your turn.
Hi, what's your name?
Excellent. Alright, let's move to the next word. And this word is listen carefully.
Name.
Let's listen it one more time.
Name.
And then repeat after me. Name. Your turn.
Name.
And then please spell the word name. The word name begin with letter N. Your turn.
N.
A,
A.
M,
M.
E.
E.
And this word is
Name.
name. Your turn.
Name.
Excellent. Alright, and then let's read our sentence together.
Hi, what's your name?
This sentence is repeat after me. Hi, what's your name? Your turn.
Hi, what's your name?
Very good. Alright, students, let's move to the last word. And this word is listen carefully.
My.
This word is mine. Mine. Let's listen it one more time.
My.
Alright, students, repeat after me. Mine. Your turn.
My.
Please spell the word mine. Mine is begin with letter M. Your turn.
M.
Y.
Y.
And we call this word is
My.
mine. Your turn.
My.
Very good. And then let's read our sentence. Listen carefully.
My name is Alice.
Let's listen it one more time.
My name is Alice.
My name is Alice. Alright, repeat after me. My name is Alice. Your turn.
My name is Alice.
Very good.
This.
Alright, student, let's move to the next part. And this part we call listen and check. Listen and check. Student, we are going to choose the correct picture that you hear from this part. Alright, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
So let's listen it carefully. And this picture is,
This.
listen it one more time.
This.
This. Student, which one is picture of this? This. It would be picture number 1. Or it would be picture number 2. Which one is the picture of this? This.
The picture number 1.
The picture number 1. Are you sure?
Yes, teacher.
If you say yes, let's find out together. Picture number 1 is correct.
Father.
And then let's move to number 2. And number 2 is, let's listen it carefully.
Father.
Let's listen it one more time.
Father.
This picture is father. Father. So let's look at picture number 1. Is this father?
No.
Oh, if you say no, let's move to picture number 2. This picture number 2 is this father.
Yes.
If you say yes, let's check it out together. That's it.
Friend.
And then let's move to picture number 3. And picture number 3 is
Friend.
friend. Friend. Student, please tell me which one is picture of friend? Which one is picture of friend? It would be picture number 1 or it would be picture number 2.
The picture number 1.
The picture number 1. Alright, let's check it out together. Correct.
Hour.
Alright, let's move to picture number 4. And picture number 4 is, listen carefully.
Hour.
Hour. Let's listen it one more time.
Hour.
Hour. Student, do you know which one is the picture of hour? Hour. It would be picture number 1. Hour. Or it would be picture number 2. Hour. Which one is the correct one?
Picture number 2.
Picture number 2. Are you sure?
Yes, teacher.
Alright, let's find out together with picture number 2. That's it.
Guide.
And then let's move to picture number 5. And picture number 5 is
Guide.
guide. Guide. Let's listen it one more time.
Guide.
This picture is guide. Guide. Student, do you know who is guide? Who is guide? It would be picture number 1. Or it would be picture number 2. Who is guide?
Picture number 1.
Picture number 1. Are you sure?
Yes.
If you say it, let's find out together with picture number 1. Correct.
What?
Oh, let's move to picture number 6. Picture number 6. And this picture is, let's listen it carefully.
What?
What? What? Let's listen it one more time.
What?
What? What? Student, please look at the picture. And which one is picture of what? What? It would be picture number 1. Or it would be picture number 2.
Picture number 2.
Picture number 2. If you say picture number 2, let's check it out together. That's it.
Name.
Oh, let's move to the next picture of number 7. This number 7 is
Name.
name. Name. Let's listen it one more time. And this picture of number 7 is
Name.
name. Name. Student, please help me to find out of the picture name. Name. Which one is the picture of name? Name. It would be picture number 1. Or it would be picture number 2.
The picture number 1.
The picture number 1. Are you sure?
Yes, teacher.
If you say it, let's find out together with picture number 1. Very good.
My.
Oh, let's move to the last part of vocabulary. And this vocabulary is, let's listen carefully.
My.
My. My. Let's listen it one more time.
My.
This picture is mine. Mine. Student, please help me to find out the picture of mine. Mine. Which one is the correct one? It would be picture number 1. Or it would be picture number 2.
The picture number 2.
The picture number 2. Alright, let's find out together. That's it.
This.
Alright, student. Now we are going to learn our dialogue with the next part. Alright, let's move to the next part. And this part we call dialogue. Dialogue. And this dialogue we are going to listen and try to repeat together. Alright, student, look at our dialogue. Are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
So please listen carefully with our dialogue.
Tomo, this is my father. This is my friend Tomo.
Happy to meet you.
This is our guide.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Alice.
Alright, student, let's listen it one more time.
Tomo, this is my father.
And next,
This is my friend, Tomo.
then,
Happy to meet you.
This is our guide.
and then
Hi, what's your name?
the last
My
sentence.
name is Alice.
Alright, student, we are going to practice how to read our dialogue together. Student, repeat after me. Oh, before we are going to read our dialogue. Please listen it carefully. This one.
Tomo, this is my father.
Repeat after me. Tomo, this is my father. Your turn.
Tomo, this is my father.
Excellent. And then let's move to the next sentence.
This is my friend, Tomo.
And this sentence is repeat after me. This is my friend. This is my friend Tomo. Your turn.
This is my friend Tomo.
Very nice. And then let's move to Tomo. And Tomo say, listen carefully.
Happy to meet you.
Repeat after me. Happy to meet you. Your turn.
Happy to meet you.
Very nice. And then let's move to this lady. And this lady say,
This is our guide.
repeat after me. This is our guide. Your turn.
This is our guide.
Excellent. Then let's move to this lady. And this lady say,
Hi, what's your name?
repeat after me. Hi, what's your name? Your turn.
Hi, what's your name?
Excellent. And then let's move to the last sentence. And this lady, she say,
My name is Alice.
repeat after me. My name is Alice. Your turn.
My name is Alice.
Good job, everyone. All right, let's move to the next part. And this part, we are going to listen and write our dialogue that you hear. So, student, are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Let's move to this little girl. And this little girl, she say, listen carefully.
Tomo, this is my father.
Let's listen it one more time.
Tomo, this is my father.
This sentence is Tomo, this is my father. Tomo, this is my father. Alright, student, let's write this word together. Let's write this sentence together. And this sentence is, let's listen it one more time.
Tomo, this is my father.
Tomo, this is my father. And then, student, please help me to write our sentence. This one is Tomo. Tomo. Let's start with Tomo. Student, can you spell the word Tomo? The word Tomo is begin with letter.
Letter T.
And when we begin with the first sentence, it would be big letter or small letter.
Big letter.
Very good. We are begin with big letter, and then the word Tomo. Tomo is begin with big T or small t.
Big T.
Very good. Big T. And then please write the big letter. Coming up next with letter.
Letter O.
Letter O. Good job. Coming up next with letter.
Letter M.
Letter M. And the last letter of the word Tomo is
Letter O.
letter O. Don't forget to write comma. And then Tomo is already. And then this is my father. This is my father. And the word this is The word this is begin with letter
Letter T.
T. Coming up next with letter
Letter H.
H. Good job. Coming up next with letter
Letter I.
I. Coming up next with letter
Letter H.
S. Now we are finished with this word this. And then don't forget to space. Coming up next with the word is. Is begin with letter
Letter I.
I. Coming up next with letter
Letter H.
Good job. Now we can write this word is this is already. Coming up next with my. Do you remember the word my?
Yes.
If you say yes, please help me to write the word my. My is begin with letter
Letter M.
M. Coming up next with letter
Letter Y.
Y. Excellent. This is my. And then father. Student, can you spell the word father?
Yes, it begins with letter F.
Good job. It begin with letter F. Coming up next with letter
A.
A. Coming up next with
Letter T.
T. Next is
H.
Next is
Letter E.
E. And the last letter of the word father is
Letter R.
R. But don't forget to write full stop. Now, is this correct?
Yes.
If you say yeah, let's move to the next sentence. And this sentence is, listen carefully.
This is my friend Tomo.
Let's listen it one more time.
This is my friend Tomo.
Now we are going to fill in the blank with the sentence. This is my friend Tomo. This is my friend Tomo. Let's start with the first word is this. This begin with letter
Big T.
Big T. Excellent. Big T. Coming up next with letter
H.
Coming up next with letter
Letter I.
I. And the last letter of the word this is
S.
S. Excellent. Don't forget to space. And then coming up next with the word it. Do you remember how to write the word it? Is begin with letter
I.
Coming up next with
H.
S. Excellent. Don't forget to space. This is and then my. Is begin with letter
M.
M. Excellent. And then
Letter Y.
letter Y. Good job. Student, can you spell the word friend?
It begins with letter F.
Excellent. Friend is begin with letter F. Coming up next with letter
R.
Coming up next with letter
I.
Coming up next with letter
E.
Coming up next with letter
N.
And the last letter of the word friend is
Letter D.
letter D. Very good. Don't forget to write comma. And don't forget to space. Now we are complete with the sentence of this is my friend. And after that, we are going to write the word's name of her friend. Her friend, his name is Tomo. Student, do you remember how to write the word Tomo? Tomo is begin with letter
Big T.
Very good. Big T. Coming up next with letter
O.
Coming up next with letter
M.
And the last letter of the word Tomo is
Letter O.
letter O. Very good. And don't forget to write full stop. Now we are complete with our sentence. This is my friend Tomo. And then let's move to the next sentence. And this sentence is,
Happy to meet you.
let's listen it one more time.
Happy to meet you.
Repeat after me. Happy to meet you. Your turn.
Happy to meet you.
And now, please help me to fill in the blank with the sentence happy to meet you. Let's start with the word happy. Happy. Happy is begin with letter
Letter H.
and letter H when we beginning of the sentence. It would be big H or small H.
Big H.
Very good, big H. Coming up next with letter
A.
A. Coming up next with letter
Double P.
double P. Very good, it means 2P. And the last letter of the word happy is
Letter Y.
letter Y. Very good, don't forget to space. This word is happy and then two. Two is begin with letter
Letter T.
letter T. Good job. And coming up next with letter
Letter O.
letter O. Now we are finished with happy too. Don't forget to space. And next word is meet. Meet. Happy to meet. Meet. The word meet begin with letter
Letter M.
letter M. Coming up next with letter
Double E.
double E is mean 2E. And the last letter of the word meet. Meet is
Letter T.
letter T. Very good. Don't forget to space. The last word is you. You. The word you is begin with letter
Letter Y.
letter Y. Coming up next with letter
Letter O.
letter O. Coming up next with letter
Letter U.
letter U. Good job. And don't forget to write full stop. Happy to meet you. Coming up next with and then let's move to the next sentence. And this lady, she say, listen carefully.
This is our guide.
Let's listen it one more time.
This is our guide.
This sentence is, this is our guide. This is our guide. Let's start with the word this. This is begin with letter.
Big T.
Very good. Begin with big T. Coming up next with letter
H.
H. Coming up next with letter
I.
I. Coming up next with letter
H.
S. Don't forget to space. And then the word is. Is begin with letter
I.
I. Coming up next with letter
H.
S. Very good. And then let's move to the word hour. Hour. The word hour is begin with letter
Letter O.
letter O. Very good. Coming up next with
Letter U.
letter U. And the last letter of the word hour is
R.
R. Good job. Now we got this is hour. Coming up next with the word guide. Guide. The word guide is begin with letter
Letter G.
letter G. Very good. Coming up next with letter
Letter U.
letter U. Coming up next with letter
I.
letter I. Coming up next with letter
Letter D.
letter D. And the last one is letter
E.
E. Very good. Don't forget to write full stop. And then let's move to the next lady. And this lady, she say,
Hi, what's your name?
listen it carefully.
Hi, what's your name?
Student, repeat after me. Hi, what's your name? Your turn.
Hi, what's your name?
Very good. And now please help me to fill in the blank. This word is hi. Hi is begin with letter
Letter H.
H. And don't forget to write big H. And coming up next with letter
I.
I. And then the word what. What is begin with letter
W.
W. Coming up next with letter
H.
H. Coming up next with letter
A.
A. And the last letter of the word what is
Letter T.
letter T. Very good. And then the word eat. Eat. Don't forget to write apostrophe. And coming up next with letter
What? Sorry. Letter H.
letter S. Very good. The next word is your. Let's begin with letter
Y.
Y. Coming up next with
Letter O.
letter O. Next is
Letter U.
letter U. And the last letter of the word your is
Letter R.
letter R. Very good. Then let's move to the word name. Name is begin with letter
Letter N.
letter N. Coming up next with letter
Letter A.
letter A. Coming up next with letter
Letter M.
letter M. And the last letter of the word name is
Letter E.
letter E. And this one is the question. Don't forget to put the symbol of question mark. And then let's move to this lady. And this lady, she say,
My name is Alice.
let's listen it one more time.
My name is Alice.
Repeat after me. My name is Alice. Your turn.
My name is Alice.
Very good. And please help me to fill in the blank. And this sentence is, my name is Alice. Let's start with the word mine. Mine. It begin with
Letter M.
letter M. And then
Let-
coming up next with letter
Letter Y.
Y. Now we got the word mine. Coming up next with the word name. Name is begin with letter
Letter N.
N. Coming up next with letter
Letter A.
letter A. Coming up next with
Letter M.
letter M. And the last letter of the word name is
Letter E.
E. Now we got my name. After that, we are going to write the word is. Is begin with letter
Letter I.
and coming up next with letter
H.
S. And then let's move to the next word, and this word is Alice. Alice. Student, can you write the word Alice?
Yes, I can.
If you say yes, please help me to spell the word Alice. The word Alice is begin with letter
Big A.
big A. Good job. Coming up next with letter
Letter L.
letter L. Very nice. Coming up next with letter
I.
I. Coming up next with
Letter C.
letter C. And the last letter of the name Alice is
Letter E.
letter E. Good job. And don't forget to write the symbol of full stop. Alright, student, you are a good listener. And then let's move to the next part. Oops, sorry. And this part we are going to practice our sentence together. Sorry. Are you ready?
Yes.
If you say yes, let's move to picture number 1. Look at the questions. And this question is, what's your name? What's your name? Student, repeat after me. What's your name? Your turn.
What's your name?
Very good. And then look at this. This is the answer. And this answer is, my name is Jane. My name is Jane. Student, repeat after me. My name is Jane. Your turn.
My name is Jane.
Very good. And then let's move to the next practice. And this sentence is, what's your name? What's your name? Repeat after me. What's your name? Your turn.
What's your name?
And look at the man. His name is Eric. His name is Eric. Student, please please repeat after me. My name is Eric. Your turn.
My name is Eric.
Very good. And then let's move to the next picture. Look at the man. And this man, he asked this question. Repeat after me. What's your name? Your turn.
What's your name?
Excellent. And then look at the lady. And this lady, she say, my name is Sarah. My name is Sarah. Repeat after me. My name is Sarah. Your turn.
My name is Sarah.
Very good. And then let's move to the next picture. Alright, student, now this is your turn. Look at the picture. This question is, what's your name? What's your name? And after that, please tell your name. Tell your name. For example, my name is, and then tell your name. For example, teacher will give the example for you. Then let's ask the question first. Repeat after me. What's your name? Your turn.
What's your name?
And then please answer this question. My name is, and after that please tell your name. For example, my name is My. My name is My. How about you? What's your name?
My name is Nina.
Very good. That's it, student. Alright, student, let's move to the next part. And this part we are going to do our exercise in your workbook or worksheets. Please bring it beside you. And this is your workbook. And then please open your workbook on page 10 and 11. Page 10 and 11. It looks like this. Or if you don't have workbook, please bring your worksheets beside you. And then please prepare your pencil, color, or maybe you can use the crayon. Alright, student, are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
So let's move to our activity. Alright, student, and now if you got your worksheet, please write your class and your name. For example, if you are in class 1, if you are in primary 1, you have to write primary 1 and then slash with your classroom. For example, 1/2, and then please write your name or maybe your nickname. Like this. Alright, students, let's move to our activity. And then look at activity number 1, and this one we call read and match. Read and match. Look at number 1. This is the part of little girl, and next part, this part of little boy. And then let's move to number 1. Number 1, this sentence is this is. Student, can you find out the sentence is can match with this word? This is. Alright, let's start with A. This is Alice. Is this correct?
No, teacher.
Oh no, very good if you say no. How about how about B? B is my friend Tomo. My friend Tomo. It can match.
Yes, it's match.
Very good if you say yes, please draw the line dot to the letter. So now we can complete our sentence is this is my friend Tomo. Alright, student, are you finished?
Yes.
If you say yes, let's move to number 2. Number 2, this word is happy too. Happy too. Happy too. A is Alice. Is this correct?
No.
Oh no, it's not. Or C, happy to meet you. Happy to meet you. Is this correct?
Yes, teacher.
If you say yes, let's connect the line from dot to letter C. Now we are complete with our sentence. Happy to meet you. Happy to meet you. Alright, student, are you finished?
Yes.
If you say yes, let's move to number 3. Number 3 is what is. What is and A, what is Alice. Is this correct?
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not correct. How about what is your name? What is your name? Is this correct?
Yes, it's correct.
Very good. If you say yes, please connect the line like this. Dot to the letter D. What is your name? Oh, and then let's move to number 4. And number 4, we have my name. My name. And wow, we have only one left with, we are only one left with letter A. Letter A is Alice. Is Alice. Is this correct?
Yes, teacher.
If you say yes, please connect the line dot to letter A. My name is Alice. Like this. Alright, student, are you finished?
Yes, I am.
If you say yes, let's move to activity B. Let's move to activity B. Oops. Sorry. And this activity B, we are going to complete the dialogue. We are going to complete the dialogue. Student, please help me to fill in the blank. Let's start the little girl number 1. And she say, Tomo and blank. Tomo and blank. And this little boy, he say, happy to meet you. Happy to meet you. Student, do you remember which one is the missing? Tomo. And then
The sentence would be Tomo. This is my father.
are you sure?
Yes.
Very good, student. This sentence is Tomo. This is my father. And please help me to write down the sentence. This is my father. The word this is my father. Let's start with the first word is this. This is begin with letter
T.
letter T. Coming up next with letter
Letter H.
letter H. Coming up next with letter
Letter I.
letter I. Coming up next with letter
Letter H.
letter S. Good job. Don't forget to spell and then let's move to the next word. The next word is is. Is begin with letter
Letter I.
letter I. Coming up next with letter
H.
A. And then let's move to the next word. And this word is mine. Mine is begin with letter
M.
letter M. Coming up next with letter
Letter Y.
letter Y. And then next word is father. Father is begin with letter
Letter F.
letter F. Good job. Coming up next with letter
A.
A. Coming up next with letter
Letter T.
letter T. Very nice. And then
Letter H.
letter H. Coming up next with letter
E.
E. And the last letter of the word father is
Letter R.
letter R. And don't forget to write full stop here. Now we are complete with sentence Tomo, this is my father. And then, are you finished?
Yes.
So let's move to number 2. And this little girl, she say blank Tomo, blank Tomo. And this little boy, he say happy to meet you, happy to meet you. So student, which one is missing? It's supposed to be, this is my father, Tomo. Is this correct?
No, teacher.
No. So which one is correct?
The sentence is would be this is my friend Tomo.
Very good. That's correct. This sentence is this is my friend Tomo. Alright student, please help me to write the sentence of this is my friend. This is begin with
Letter T.
letter T and big T or small T.
Big T.
Big T. Good job, big T. Coming up next with letter
Letter H.
H. Coming up next with
Letter I.
letter I. And then
Letter
and then coming up next with letter
H.
S. Good job. And then the word is. Is begin with letter
I.
I. Coming up next with letter
Letter H.
S. And then the word mine. Mine is begin with letter
M.
M. Coming up next with
Letter Y.
Y. And next word is friend. Friend is begin with letter
F.
A. Coming up next with letter
R.
Coming up next with letter
I.
Coming up next with letter
Letter E.
E. Coming up next with letter
N.
N. And the last letter of the word friend is letter
D.
D. Good job. Now we are complete with sentence. This is my friend. Alright, let's move to number 3. And number 3 is hi and blank. Hi and blank. And this little girl, she say, my name is Alice. My name is Alice. Student, which one is missing? Is this hi? What's your name? Is this correct?
Yes, teacher, it's correct.
If you say yes, please help me to write down the sentence. What is your name? The word what is begin with letter
W.
W. Don't forget to write the big W. Coming up next with
Letter H.
H. Coming up next with letter
A.
A. Coming up next with
Letter T.
T. And then we will write apostrophe. And then what letter come next?
Letter H.
Letter S. Very good. How about the word your? Your is begin with
Letter Y.
Y. Coming up next with
Letter O.
O. Coming up next with
Letter U.
U. And the last letter of the word your.
It's letter R.
Letter R. Very good. How about the word name? The word name is begin with
Letter N.
M. Coming up next with letter
A.
A. Coming up next with letter
M.
M. And the last letter of the word's name is
Letter E.
letter E. Very good, student. And are you finished?
Yes, teacher.
If you say yes, let's move to the next activity. activity, we are going to do our exercise with unscramble. Unscramble. Student, please help me to complete our sentence. And number one, we have the word choice with is, and next word is mine, and next word is this. And then we have the keyword with father. So now, which letter is start with the beginning of this sentence? Do you know? Which one is the beginning of this sentence?
This sentence is begin with the word this.
Good job. This beginning is the word this. This word is this. Begin with letter T, big T. Coming up next with letter
H.
Letter H. Good job. Coming up next with letter
I.
And the last letter of the word this is
Letter S.
letter S. Good job. Now we got the word this. Coming up next with the word is. Is begin with letter
I.
Letter I. Good job. Letter I. Coming up next with letter
H.
S. Very good. And then the word mine. Mine is begin with letter
M.
Letter M. Good job. Coming up next with letter
Y.
Letter Y. Is this correct?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Now we are complete with sentence. This is my father. Student, are you finished?
Yes, teacher.
If you say yes, let's move to number 2. And number 2 is what your is name. Student, can you complete this sentence?
This sentence would be, what is your name?
Excellent! This sentence is, what is your name? And then please help me to write the first word. The first word is
What?
very good. What is begin with letter W, with big W. Coming up next with letter
Letter H.
Letter S. Good job. Coming up next with letter
Letter A.
Letter A. Coming up next with
Letter T.
T. Excellent. Now we got the word what. And then the word eat. Is begin with letter
I.
Coming up next with letter
H.
Letter S. And then let's move to the last word. Oh, just only one left. This word is your. Is begin with letter
Y.
Letter Y. Coming up next with letter
O.
O. Coming up next with letter
U.
And the last letter of the word your is
Letter R.
Oh, very nice. Now we are complete with this sentence. What is your name? Are you finished?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. And then let's move to number 3. And number 3 is student. Which one is missing? We have the keyword is happy. And wow. What is missing? We have keyword with happy. Look at the word choice. We have to, you, and meet. So, it would be happy to meet you. Is this correct?
Yes, teacher.
So, let's help me to write down the sentence happy to meet you. Now we got the word happy and then to. To is begin with letter
T.
Letter T. Very nice. Coming up next with letter
O.
Letter O. Now we got the word to. Happy to. Coming up next with the word meet. Meet is begin with letter
M.
Letter M. Coming up next with letter.
Double E.
Very good. Double E is mean 2E. You have to write down 2E in the blank. And then coming up next with the last word of meet is
Letter T.
letter T. Good job. Now we got happy to meet, and the last word is you. You is begin with letter
Letter Y.
letter Y. Coming up next with letter
Letter O.
letter O. And the last letter of the word you is
Letter U.
letter U. Good job, student. Are you finished?
Yes, teacher.
So, if you finish, please. Oh, sorry. Please move to the next part. And this is the last activity. We call circle the correct words. Circle the correct words. Let's start with number 1. Teacher want to know which one is the correct one. With this sentence, this is blank father. This is blank father. It would be me or mine.
My.
If you say mine, that's correct. Don't forget to circle the word mine. So this sentence is, this is my father. Alright, are you finished?
Yes, teacher.
If you say yes, let's move to number 2. And number 2 with this sentence is, this is blank friend, Tomo. This is blank friend, Tomo. Teacher have 2 word choice with mine, M-Y, mine, or mine, mind. Which one is correct one?
The word my.
Mine, number 1 or mine, number 2?
My number 1.
Good job, my number 1 is the correct one. Very nice. Are you finished with number 2?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. And then let's move to number 3. And number 3, this sentence is, this is blank guide. This is blank guide. Which one is the correct one? We have 2 word choice again. And number 1 is our. Our, with this is our guide. Or next word is us. Us. This is us guide. This is us guide. Which one is the correct one?
Our.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Very good. This word is our. That's correct. Our, the first one. Don't forget to circle the correct answer. Alright, student, are you finished?
Yes.
So, let's move to the last activity of this part. Number 4. And number 4 is, what is blank name? What is blank name? Which one is the correct one? It would be, what is you name? What is you name? Or, what is your name? What is your name? Which one is the correct one? You or your?
Your.
Are you sure?
Yes.
If you say your, that's it. Student, this one is your. Is the correct one. So, are you finished?
Yes, teacher.
Very good, student. Alright, so, today is time's up. And before we say goodbye, teacher have one more song for you. Oops. And this song is called Ski de Moringa. So students, please stand up. We are going to sing and dance with our last song, Ski de Moringa. Don't forget to stand up again. And move your leg.
Skidamarinky-dinky-dink, skidamarinky-doo.
Say,
I love you.
let's do it again.
Skidamarinky-dinky-dink, skidamarinky-doo. I love you.
Say,
I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the
next time student bye bye